we have here?
He's dead. Cause of death? Arrow to the knee.
It's a darn shame. Who was the man?
Jeff Nicholson. He was a pharmaceutical salesman.
Until he took an arrow to the knee.
Darn shame. It's okay. You're in a better place now. Darn shame. Oh, what is this?
I thought he was dead!
What? Oh, it's 98, not 86.
Nice
planking.
move, idiot. Bye.
You guys are weirdos.
What is that? Are you kidding? Is this what you went to medical school for? Let's blow this popsicle stand.
Got my arrow.
Guys, this isn't working.
What happened to our car?
I don't know. Ow! Don't look at me.